Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in recent news, just today, or the day I'm recording this, July 18th, a new build of Windows 8 has leaked, build 7950 here. This is the official Milestone 2 build of Windows 8. It honestly baffles me that we didn't have it before this. And, you know, this is a build I've been anticipating for quite a while. We've had the components of it from the Microsoft symbol server that some kind users have made tools to pull files from, but we haven't had the full build until just today. So this build could be installed on the current date for some reason. It's something related to flight signing, product signing. Anyway, let's get this installed here. Okay, so here we are. It still calls itself Windows 7. It has a new copyright date of 2011. Not sure if that was there before. Canada, install now. Setup is finally decisive. Before it just said setup is, and it cut off. Okay, there we go. Microsoft pre-release Windows Client Operating System. Now, just imagining if that was like the final name of it now. Anyway, so we are here expanding Windows files. I'll pause the video for now, and I'll see you guys when we reach the out-of-box experience. Sorry, I was trying to watch my Johnny Razor. Why did it play that? That is like the one place where that's not supposed to be playing. Okay. Well, I've always loved this screen. This is a beautiful screen. Oh, language bar. Okay, so we're at the out-of-box experience now. Microsoft Confidential. Orbitron PC. Home network. Okay, almost done my real name there for whatever reason. Ask me later. Pacific time. Okay, Windows is finalizing your settings. Okay, welcome. The Windows logo at the bottom of the screen's gone. Again, I'm not quite sure when that change happened, but it's before this build. Why is this so high? Anyway, so we're at the desktop. Now, I should probably install VMware tools so I can actually, like, get it to the proper resolution. I'll pause the video and I'll be back when I do that. Activate Windows now. No. Okay, so we're at the desktop. Now, this isn't the final step. I still need to install Redlock, so what that is. Basically, early Windows 8 builds have a pretty rudimentary start screen. But only when you have Redlock installed, which is a tool to disable Red Pill. Now, Red Pill was the tool Microsoft used during Windows 8 development to hide certain features in the case of builds getting leaked. Hinted at with this wallpaper. Shh, let's not leak our hard work. With this picture puzzle here, this Verticu. If you solve it, it spells out start me up, but like it's a Caesar cipher, so it's one letter behind everything. So it's like RSZQ whatever. Okay, so how you install this is you run it as the administrator, brings up this command prompt window. Install Red Pill excluding SHSXS, and install Red Pill excluding policies. So we'll choose the first one. Now it's going to show with this screen again. Setup's preparing your computer for first use, and it's running the Red Pill Redlock, and it's playing the sound again. That happened during setup. And we can already see a new background here, and a new logout screen for that matter. This profile picture was taken from MSN Messenger, if I recall correctly. It was one of the default profile pictures, and here we are at the start screen. So we have the desktop tile here. You can't uninstall it yet. Anyway, and okay, The wallpaper changed here. We have Windows Explorer, computer control panel. If you swipe down from the bottom, you can go to other programs here, and that'll show every program in the system. So there's nothing really special here. MS Help though is basically the splash screen here. MS Help is a version of the Microsoft Store, but they called it MS Help as to hide the fact that it was the Microsoft Store. So what would happen here? Access denied. Now let's see if that file actually exists. Nope. Anyway, so how it actually worked was it called for a HTML file from an internal Microsoft intranet server, and obviously we don't have that, so it just shows access denied. See temp MS help log for details. We still have the user title here. My settings, it's just user account settings. Enable touch access. That enables the lock screen, I believe. So lock PC. Yeah, there we go. This is basically how the lock screen would be until Windows 10. My look, I'm assuming that's personalization settings. No, it's user account look. I'm assuming that's the profile picture and all that. Doesn't seem like it wants to show right now. Well, and Explorer just crashed. Let's take a look at the Charms bar. So this is the early Charms bar. Start, switch, search, share, connect, settings. Let's see if what is this? See if that image gets made in the temp folder. I don't think so. In 7989, when you try to click on share, it makes a picture of a cat in the temp folder saying you can't has pics or something like that. See if the right hand charms are not a thing. Search, I'm assuming, works as it does in the final release of Windows 8. It appears it doesn't work at all, actually. Settings. Damn, it seems like Charms doesn't even work at all. See if the start charm even works. Okay, that works. This is the immersive settings app. It's pretty rudimentary right now, but shutdown, the power settings, wireless, volume, time zone, ease of access, search, connections, devices, desktop control panel. That just brings you to the regular control panel. So let's check on the immersive Internet Explorer. This was introduced in 7899, I believe. Internet Explorer cannot display the web page. Blah blah blah. Problem with this website security certificate. No, there's a problem with Internet Explorer, and it actually looks pretty good. Let's go to the page for this build, and there we go. It's really slow. So let's check out the webcam app, see if it's still there. There are no webcams connected to your system, of course. Application settings, audio source, resolution, frame rate, webcam settings here, auto brightness, focus, exposure, zoom, flicker. Oh, now it just automatically put that in my start screen. So it does have the placeholder ribbon icons here, and the new folder icons are still present. So let's take a look at the personalization options. So it's all basically the same as Windows 7. Is there auto colorization? Yes. Okay. So this was a feature in Windows 8 builds that basically changed your window color based on the color of the desktop background. So let's change the wallpaper to this one here, right? This is always my favorite. Oh. No. So let's change the wallpaper to this one here, right? Save changes. Oh, are you gonna let me? It's not letting me change the wallpaper. Why is it not changing? Why is it not changing? What the hell? It's still... I don't remember this happening. Wait, the watermark's gone as well. The Winver, Microsoft Confidential, build 7950, blah 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 blah. This was compiled on February 23rd, 2011. It's the official Milestone 2 build of Windows 8. Oh, swiping charms from the right is... Is Windows trying to gaslight me again? I'm stuck on the blue screen here. This is a good way to blue screen these builds. Wininit.exe. Oh, it's not running as administrator. Wininit.exe. There we go. Okay, so this is the blue screen. It's black. Your computer needs to restart. It encountered a problem and will restart immediately. So yeah, it's basically all I have for Windows 8 build 7950. This build just leaked today, and I thought it would be nice to go back to basics and make a video about it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. And that's it. Goodbye.